bought bum ducks in Minnesota. They don't float.
They're upright.
Oh my lord.
Okay, we'll have to line them up here.
Construction CB.
Here's the nurse. Let's take your temperature.
We got a.
Here's the takeoff.
He's a pilot.
Get ready to fly. Ready for takeoff. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a 1.5, just like your daddy. Whee! She likes them.
She does like them.
Look, there's the nurse. There's your Granny, and your
Great Granny.
Yeah. Great Granny and Granny. Yeah. Here they are. Yay. Your Aunt Sonia's. The CNA. Boom.
Yeah.
Does this squirt water? Let's see if it squirts water.
I think we got bum ducks.
Look at that. I'm going to have to tell them their heads are too big, because that's what's making them tip over.
The CB. Here's the CB. The nurse is checking the temperature of the water. And the pilot sank.
Yeah. Emergency! Emergency! Oh, here comes the duck. Here comes the nurse. Okay, look. Here comes the nurse. She's saving him. It's the crawl.